now we have an introduction to the model, and we know how to use this model. So work time to start beginning modeling. This is step 1, which is cutting the front of the car off to length. So I'm going to start out with half car for modeling. Again, if you don't see this scene, you want to click on your scenes tab, and then it gives you all of our normal scenes plus half car for modeling down here. So we're only working with half the car. We only have to worry about half the car. I'm going to go to scenes and then front view. And I can close that down so we can see what's going on. Now, if we remember from the last video, if I draw right here, and the good indication is these purple dots. If you see purple dots, stop drawing. Purple dots are bad. Click straight down, and now if I go into isometric view, I'm going to go push pull, and it's going to give me this doesn't work symbol. So I just undid that. Go back to front view. Remember, I either have to right click and hit edit component, or I can double click on the car. Now I'm going to use the tape measure. I'm not going to click on anything back here. I need to click on the blue axis above the car, but inside the model yet. Don't click up here, click right on the model, or right above the model. And I'm going to bring this forward. And if you remember, this has to be between 200 and 300, but 210 is the shortest I would suggest going. I'm going to go 250 and hit enter. And I'm going to draw a line now. So now we have a guideline. We know that's 250 away. Now I need to draw the line over the top of that guideline, just so I have a line to cut it off with. Go to isometric, push pull, and here's a good practice to get used to. I'm going to take the point on that red arrow cursor, and I'm going to touch it to the black back line here and drop it off, and it cuts our car off. If I go to full car now, I can see it cut both halves of the car off at the same time. And that is how I cut my car to length.